Critter Trades here, and I'm going to show you how to remove the taillights on the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is for the Jeep Grand Cherokee as well for the new 2022 model year plus, and it's a pretty simple procedure. You're just going to need some trim tools. These are awesome to have around the garage for a lot of different projects. I'll put a link to the ones that I use down in the description. So for this outside taillight, there's a little clip right here. You slide this down in here. This piece just pretty much pulls straight out with these clips and these 3 holes here. All right, so this uses a Torx bit right here. This is a T30 Torx bit. Pretty long bolt, not on there very tight. So now once you have these bolts loose, this part pretty much pops out and it will fall right out. There's a little pin here, here, here. Then you can access the plug here. It's an LED in the housing. So you pretty much can't replace the bulbs in it. You pretty much need to get a whole new housing. If you do want to replace it, you can't just replace the bulbs because there are no bulbs in it. See one right in here. Line up the back one first, then this one here. Just a little pop, put your bolts in. And then pop this cover back on. That's for the inside panel. This is the handle to pull the hatch down close. You do need to pull this out straight. It's easier if you take this out first. Pretty much pull straight out. It can be a little tricky. Pretty much just got these 2 clips that pop in here, and it's made to be hard to remove. So you don't accidentally pull it out when you're lifting. So this will go on after. It's easier to get this panel off. You can also look in to see your alignment holes when you're putting the panel back on to make sure you got it aligned correctly. Now the whole thing pretty much just pops straight down. And then you have these connectors here are for the interior lights. So you can pop these off. We'll just go on to these 2 lights that are on the inside. So these 3 bolts here are 10mm that hold on the rear tail light on the inside. I already loosened these ones. Loosen that here. They're not on there very tight. And then you can disconnect it here. And remove it from the other side. It's a little easier too if you push the bolt. It's from the other side to push it out. It has a little bit of a grip in there. It wants to kind of get stuck in there, but that's how you remove the taillights. Again, these are fully replaceable sealed units. You can't really replace the LEDs because it's an LED bar. It's not a bulb. And reverse to reinstall. These are not very tight. Oh, make sure you plug in your lights too before. You just snap in there. It's pretty much some green ones and some flat tabs here, here, here. Pretty much all over. They pretty much just push straight up on. Just do your best to align them. Try and align the whole thing before you start putting any of the tabs in. Oh, I like to use these top parts here. And if you don't get every single clip, it's still gonna hold on there just fine. And then this is a lot easier to install. You pretty much just pop it back on there. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. I got 80,000 miles on this Jeep and I do a lot of videos about them, so check out some of my other ones as well. Thanks.